Now, Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Well, we are getting ready to have major weather changes all across the South Plains, and today was a little different from what we have been dealing with over the past 48 hours. So get used to the ever-changing West Texas weather to keep up its game plan. Here's what's happening right now outside of Plainview. We are continuing to see a lot of cloud cover pushing its way through. Obviously, we do have a few holes within those clouds, but all in all, it's like a very thick blanket of cloud cover. And just as Evan and Terry pointed out, we've got that easterly wind. You can smell it in the air, and obviously you can see it up in the sky, because when we do have easterly winds, we are more prone to have rainfall. But as far as rainfall is concerned, not looking to see any, although we are picking up some clutter and some upper level precipitation on the radar. A lot of people asking all day, so why isn't it raining? Or I'm seeing, green on the radar. Well, of course you are seeing green, but you'll notice we do have several beams going out right now from our radars, and where we're picking it up, it's off towards the end of that radar beam, because it means the radar beam's going up. It's picking up the moisture in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So that is what we are seeing when you are looking at the radar. So just note to self, we're not anticipating any rainfall just yet, but we could be having some in our near future. Right now, though, we are dealing with those clouds, and as we go further on into the evening hours, they will begin to decrease slowly but surely, and along with the clouds decreasing, so will those temperatures. Check it out right now, 53 degrees in the hub. You push further off towards the coastal plains, where we are still flirting right around 80 degrees in Corpus Christi, 75 just to the southern extent, and then we're looking at 61 over in San Antonio. Right in your backyard, a lot of 50s around there, a few upper 50s flirting more so with that 60-degree mark off into the rolling plains, but very nice and mild. And winds not so shabby, but they are enough to give us that moisture continuing to push in from the east. We are less than 10 miles per hour across the board, but don't get too used to that. Wind speeds will continue tomorrow. They're going to be out of the south, drawing in even more moisture and drawing in some heat along with it. So we've got the sunshine, we've got that southerly flow coming into play. So we could anticipate a few isolated showers. We're talking extremely isolated. If we do see any, it's going to be more so of a sprinkle tomorrow. And majority of them will just give us a higher wind gust into the area. Now, early Wednesday, we'll see a few isolated showers off into the rolling plains, especially to the extreme eastern region. But then things really begin to change. So enjoy tomorrow while it lasts. We're looking for fog in the early morning hours. Warm afternoon winds will be out of south-southwest, 10 to 15 miles per hour. We're in the 70s on Wednesday. Then Thursday rolls around, where the game plan really begins to change. Temperatures are cooling off. We've got a cold front coming through. This cold front, along with the moisture, because we are seeing that easterly flow, we got southerly flow tomorrow, so we've got enough moisture in the atmosphere. We just got to have something to give it the ump so we can actually see it fall to the ground. We head into Friday, where we could be dealing with wintry mix, as well as not just snow, mainly frozen rainfall and frozen drizzle, along with some rainfall in the area. That is Thursday night into Friday. That continues on into Saturday. And Saturday and Sunday, we could see a few isolated showers in the mix. But you'll notice those temperatures, guys, are into the lower 30s and upper 20s for the central areas. Up to the north and western zones are going to be even colder. So who's got the best bet of seeing the wintry mix? The northern areas, and then the areas off towards the west, such as over in Muleshoe, Dimmitt, Toyota. You guys are looking to be good for a winter type weather pattern. So of course we'll continue to keep you updated, but make sure that you are following us online and download the everythinglubbock.com app, because it will continue to keep you updated. And if we do have any weather advisories that go out, it will alert you immediately, because we want everyone to stay safe.
Of course. Nikki-Dee, thanks so much. We appreciate that. Well, Meals On